it's also why I suggest washing and cleaning your motor before you start, not just because of mice, but you never know what you're going to get. So undo or take off your oil cap, set it aside safely, and you can walk the vanity cover up and off. Now, there are 2 bolts here and here on the top vanity cover. They're interchangeable. It doesn't matter which one goes where. Same thing here. There are 2 10mm nuts here and here. They're both the same. So when you put them back, it doesn't matter where. So then I'm going to put the oil cap back on to make sure that I don't have any materials that fall in, because that wouldn't be good. Now you can see it's a little dirty under here. I'm actually going to wipe it down a little bit before I start pulling all the ignition coils down the line here, just to make sure I'm working in a clear workspace, and which is a lot nicer. And this motor was pretty dirty before I started, and it's really nice now. I mean, it's really clean now, which is a nice way to work. So before you potentially do this, consider cleaning your motor. I'm actually going to do a motor cleaning video here in the future. There are also a lot of really good resources out there of how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to wipe down the motor a little bit, and then I'll show how to pull the ignition coils. I want to zoom in really tight on the first ignition coil. They're all going to be the same thing. You've got 2 bolts right here that you need to pull out, and you're going to have to lift this collar. Now you can use a flat-bladed screwdriver. You can gently lift this collar to pick it up, and that will loosen up the plug here on the ignition coil. Now the other thing you're going to want to do is use a 10mm socket and loosen both of these. Now, with all of this stuff, just work slowly, work really carefully. I always do 1 coil at a time. That way there's never any confusion for me of where the coil goes, which cable goes where. They're all wired certain ways, so it would be difficult to confuse which one goes where, but I try my best to try to make it as simple as possible as I can.